Hey, I recently got this new helmet from the Chinese Black Friday. Super cool, isn't it? So this helmet is MF509, one of the most popular models from the brand ILM, which is founded in San Diego in the United States a long time ago. One of the most important reasons I got this helmet is because it has all the certificates covered. As you can see, the DOT certificate, which is required for you to ride in the United States roads, and more powerfully it has the ECE standard, which is the European standard. With this, you can not only ride in Europe but also like Japan and Taiwan if I want to go in the future. So basically I'm covered for riding everywhere in the world with this helmet. So I'm gonna tear up the film and there's no way back for return. Ooh. I'm gonna put this on. So I originally got this helmet in size M, but I felt a little bit cramped with that, so I got the size L instead, and it felt much more comfortable with just a little bit of wiggle room left. And my head size is about 55 cm if I've measured it correctly. Wow, pretty cool. The sunglass is pretty clear. It also comes with the balaclava. Let me give it a try.
I originally got my eyes on this helmet because of how cool it looks and it has so many cool prints. But later I found this is actually pretty popular among the motorcyclists in North America and Europe. The fit is comfortable, the linings are pretty bouncy, antibacterial and moisture raking, and it's pretty light with just 1.45 kilograms of weight.
It also comes with the colored lens. I got the gray color. Supposed to look pretty cool. Ow. Let me put this on. Wow, say. Wow. すごい. Wow, so reflective, but I can still see things pretty clear. The colored film is only recommended for daytime. It is a little bit like darkening my vision, even though it's clear, but I guess, yeah, the transparent one might be more safe for riding in the evening. I'm gonna install this fog resistant lens which the helmet comes with.
It's the Pinlock lens from Netherlands, and it's pretty quick and easy to install, and it's removable, so I can always reattach it to my color lens if I want to use that in the future. The vision looks pretty wide and clear.
Ooh. The foam can be detached and fit the wires inside. morning. I'm going to do the ownership transfer for Oji-san's new bike today. See you there. It's been a while, haven't used my motorbike. It's getting a little bit dusty. Let me see if it can light. 可以呀。
我昨天才装了这个，我打算很早去，怕你没那么早，我就自己。你说那么
装个这个有用的。好，喝点水。你昨天早一些睡吗？
我2点多就醒了。
的鹤山车管所 ，we're gonna get a receipt for the bike, and then we're gonna start from here. Wow, it's nice weather today. Here it is. Over there. Wow, honestly the helmet looks so cool. Wow, I'm loving it. Here it is. Here again. We're gonna have the bike examined here. Wow, this is the Honda Cross Cub in 熊本熊 color. It's 10:50 in the morning now. Not that many people here. Gonna finish it quick. Yay, we just finished everything. Gonna take a stroll around the nearby park, 大雁山. Just gonna take a quick walk inside and before heading out. Thai food street. And we're gonna try out the pigeon in the restaurant. We're gonna just finish lunch and we're gonna ride back to Guangzhou for the next 2 hours. So far, I'm pretty liking this helmet. It's pretty light and cool. It's pretty comfortable wearing it so far. I'm surprised how light it is. It's lighter than my previous helmet. So I'm gonna head back and see you next time. Bye.